You see that? Six a.m. in the morning. Can't sleep. Been up since 8:30 in the morning. So, just laying here watching some TV and decided to do some acrobats. This is also what I did. Got all my baby shower stuff organized into the picture. But he's not. See if he'll move anymore. Oh, there goes some kicking away up there. Oh, that just casts a shadow. Whoa! That was a good one. Whoa. Those are good ones. Nice white belly, huh? Let's see if he does any more. Here's to prove that it's almost 6 a.m. I think he's getting me ready for not getting sleep. And I'm watching Biggest Loser. Alright. I think he's done for now.